A small, wide-eyed kitten wakes in a sunlit room, its fur fluffy and cheeks rosy as it chases a bouncing yarn ball. The world hums with soft ambient sounds as the kitten explores, nudging plants and curling near a warm radiator. Dusk spills pink light, the room breathes, and the energy shifts as distant thunder rumbles while the kitten watches the window. Shadows lengthen, rain beads the glass, and the bright toy seems to dim as the kitten pauses with a soft, uncertain sigh. The scene holds, the rain persists, and the warmth fades into quiet melancholy.